So I have 25 of these suckers to put together, and there's no good videos on it, so I figured I'll do a little quick thing. That was something I came up with. And this is what this is about. This is not about installing it on your yard. This is putting the freaking panels together. So have fun with it. So tight, all the holes are pointing up. Now we get to screwing. Alright, so we all square nice and tight because you want the jig and start from the bottom. All the way to the top, pull back a little bit. That's it, do the whole row. And then you can do your top. Bottom it out, pull it back just 1/8. That's it.